Hi, it's Curtis with theurbanfarmer.co. Please subscribe to the channel right now if you want to see more videos like this, and like and share them with your friends. Today's question is from Tyler from Sacramento. It's got a question about time management. Kind of specific, but I think I can broaden it so it appeals to more people. How do you manage to keep your farm running while you're gone for a week for Permaculture Voices or other farm commitments or other off-farm commitments? So yeah, I mean, it's not an easy thing to do. The basic thing is you need to, if you want to get off your farm in the growing season, you have to train people. You have to have people that can do the things that need to be done while you're not there. And so this isn't something that's happened overnight for me. It's taken years to be able to do this, but I have a number of people that help me on the farm that know what needs to be done, and I'm very meticulous when I leave that I have a list of things that need to be done, the times and days where they need to happen, and all that stuff. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you have to just have systems. So the more organized you are, the better you can do that. You can't just walk off your farm and give a person the keys to your truck and say go to the farmer's market. You know, they have to know how all that's done, and so that really just comes down to training people and having proper systems in place and organizational skills so that you can do that. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you.